This is Ytterbium, one of the most unique and underrated elements in the entire periodic table. Ytterbium is one of the 4 elements named after one single village in Sweden, which makes it perhaps the most overachieving villages in the history of chemistry. Can you name all the elements that are named after this village? They are erbium, terbium, and yttrium. And the star of the day, ytterbium. Ytterbium is a shiny, silvery and soft rare earth metal, but it's often coated with a thin oxide layer that looks yellow. It's a relatively dense metal, but its density is still much lighter than its peers in the lanthanide series. This is due to its unique electronic configuration. With atomic number 70, it has a completely filled 4f shell, which makes all its inner orbitals completely filled, with only 2 valence electrons occupying the outer 6s orbitals. If you remember your high school chemistry, you may remember the octet rule, and predict ytterbium's most stable oxidation state is +2. After losing its 2 outermost electrons, every inner orbital is completely occupied. Sounds plausible, right? Well, let's find out by doing the experiment ourselves. You're now witnessing the reaction between ytterbium metal and hydrochloric acid. Ytterbium metal is gradually dissolving in HCl, forming yellow ytterbium to chloride solution and hydrogen gas. After a few minutes, all the metals are fully dissolved and the solution has turned transparent with no solid inside. But wait, the reaction isn't complete yet. We still see a large amount of bubbles forming inside the liquid. This is actually ytterbium to ions reacting with water to produce hydrogen gas. So, although ytterbium to ions do exist, they are not very stable as predicted by the octet rule. If we just gently warm the solution, all yellow ytterbium will convert to colorless ytterbium 3. To prove the existence of ytterbium 3 ions, oxalic acid was added into the test tube. The formation of white precipitate confirms the +3 ions. From a tiny Swedish village where several new elements were discovered, to an element that defies chemistry rules. Ytterbium is mysterious, rebellious, and worth paying attention to. Which element should we explore next? Leave it in a comment below.
Please like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching.